Yo, it is freaking storming. Look at that. I love the rain. I absolutely love the freaking rain. Especially when it's raining this hard. I love it. As long as it doesn't cause any damage or anything. And then, of course, the earth needs rain, you know. And I heard that basically America has been going through a drought of the land. Because it's supposed to rain so many days and it hasn't really been doing it. Like climate change and everything. So I'm always happy to see rain. As long as I'm not in it, it's like getting stuck in it or anything. Look at that. I like the sounds of it too. Like, who needs TV when you can listen to something like this, huh? Absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful.